Hi guys and gals and kittens. So here is docs.resolve.io. There's a link in the description of this YouTube video to where you can try out what I'm doing. Now Resolve is a company based out of US, headquarters in US, but they have departments in Bulgaria, in Israel, in South America, all over the world really. They're quite big. They have three primary products. Being Actions Express SaaS version, and Resolve Actions Pro, which are three different products. The reasons why I want to show this chatbot is because what we did with this chatbot was to some extent fairly unique. Resolve is a big and very, very important client of us. And the reasons why we had to create a lot of customizations for their particular chatbot is because they actually don't have one chatbot, they actually have 4 chatbots. You see now, if I'm on the landing page here, docs.resolve.io, then if I ask about any of the products, how do I create an activity in Actions Express, then actually the chatbot is not going to know the answer to that. And the reasons why is because I'm not at the correct part of their documentation. You see, their documentation is divided into 3 different parts. Here you see Express, here you see SaaS, and here you see Pro. Right? These are the 3 primary software products that that Resolve have. So now if I ask the same question, how do I create an activity in Actions Express? Then the point being that it will actually know the answer to this particular question. Why? Because I'm inside of the support system for Actions Express. Right. Now here, as you can see, when it couldn't answer my question, it explicitly told me to make sure you are on the correct page, product page for the product you need help for, right? Which of course was the wrong I did. So here I can see how do I create an activity in Actions Express. To create a custom activity in Actions Express, follow these steps. This is a highly technical customer support AI chatbot. The reasons for that is because Resolve is a low-code software development, automation, and orchestration company that provides super technical, complex products. And some of their clients includes Deutsche Telekom and bunch of like really humongously huge clients that needs to automate and orchestrate parts of their software IT infrastructure in order to save resources. And here you can see the recipe of how to create an activity using Actions Express. If I now go into Actions Pro, then if I ask the same question, it's not going to know the answer. However, now it's going to know how do I create a new role, right? Because that happens to be one of the things you can do with Actions Pro. In fact, I can go to access control here. I can click on roles, and then you can see how roles work. So this particular chatbot is basically for a support assistant, AI-based support assistant, providing super technical, complex support for a product that is highly technical in its nature. I can illustrate this by going to Express now even and ask it to can you create a custom activity in Python for me? At which point the chatbot is actually going to generate Python code for me that is specific to Resolve's Actions Express product. And now you can see, navigate, here's an image. Hopefully with a little bit of luck, it's going to be providing me with the code too. Let's see if it comes up with it, and it didn't. Create, let's try C#, custom activity in C#. Now the chatbot has been set into production just recently. Today, we're still weeding out the occasional bug and missing feature in it for the record, which is part of our services where we constantly modify and improve upon the model after the model has been set into production. See, hopefully it will return code for me, and it doesn't seem to be doing that, unfortunately, but at the very least, okay, it provides me with a link to a GitHub repository that provide a full example in C#. This screenshot of code doesn't really help me that much for this particular use case. However, once we're done with it, the chatbot is going to actually provide me with example code. So anyways, the way it works is by actually resolving the model to use using inversion of control, basically a globally accessible JavaScript snippet that actually returns the model to use according to which base URL the user is currently at, which actually allows me to, for /express/ return the actions expressed model, while for /express -SAS/ return the expressed SAS version, etc., etc. So anyways, if you want to try out this chatbot and have a look at an amazing software automation and orchestration tool and framework, you can check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.